Hello everybody and welcome back to Yalan app. In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide on exactly how to fix BandLab app not working. So if you're currently having problems that your BandLab is not working on your phone and you want to be able to fix it, well then this video is going to be perfect for you. So what I did myself is that I firstly closed the BandLab app and instead I went into the settings app on my phone. And now in my settings app, I just scrolled down in here and then I clicked on general. So as you can see, I'm currently on general right here, which is perfect. So now in here, just scroll down a little bit, then click on storage. And then you're just going to simply wait a couple of seconds for this page to completely load right here, as you can see. So we're just going to keep waiting. And when all of the apps here is loaded, then you're going to scroll all the way up in here and then click on the search bar up top, search for BandLab. So click on the BandLab app now, then click on Offload app, and once again click on Offload app in here. Just wait a couple of seconds and then click on the blue app once again in here and then just wait for the app to completely update to its latest version. Might take you a couple of minutes to a couple of seconds, just so you know. So just wait for it to completely update and then go back into the app, and hopefully now it's working for you as well.